In this tutorial, I'll show you how to recover lost Figma files using version history. Start by opening the Figma file you want to recover or restore. Next, click the main menu icon in the top left corner of Figma. From the menu, select File, then click Show Version History. This will open the version history panel, where you can view previous versions of your file. Browse through the available versions and select any version you want to preview. You can click on different timestamps to see how the file looked at that point in time. If you're collaborating with others, you can also review versions created by specific team members. To create important restore points in the future, click the Save to Version History option and give the version a name. When you find the version you want to recover, click Restore this version. Figma will restore the file to that selected version while preserving the history of your project. If you're not ready to restore, you can simply review older versions and return to your current file at any time. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a lost Figma file using version history. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.